Stop. In an earlier video, I showed you how you can start to make $1,500 a week using Shipt. But I didn't show you how to use the app specifically. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Shipt shopper app so you can be familiar with it. So when you start to do Shipt, you will be the best shopper that you can be. What's up? I'm Brandon Young, and on this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here and if you've never seen what I've got to offer, be sure to go and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, when you start off on these ride sharing apps, the first day is usually hectic because you want to be the best person or best shopper that you can be. But sometimes, since you're not familiar with the application, it's kind of hard to start off. So I decided, why not make a tutorial on this? So let's get started. I'm going to head to the phone and we're going to screen share this. So when you get into your Shipt shopper app, you're going to have pretty much 7 tabs. You're going to have the available orders, my orders, schedule, delivery history, my stats, help. You'll be able to share Shipt down there, and you'll also have your account up there at the top. So the first thing you want to do is we can start off at the account section. Pretty much it's going to have all your information. It'll have your shopper stats. It'll have, if you want to add a new Shipt card, your direct deposit information. If you want to take and update a profile photo, you can do this here. It'll also have your name, your Shipt ID, the email address you use, your phone number, your address, and the area that you are in. I will blank out all of these so you don't see it, but that's pretty much what the account section has. On the available order section, you'll be able to see the orders that you currently are being offered. So usually if you're on schedule and you're on schedule between 9 and 11, Shipt will pretty much send scheduled orders to you, so you'll have first dibs on those orders. Now, if for whatever reason you decide you don't want to do these orders, then they will be put into the Metro open orders, where they pretty much put it into a queue where all Shipt shoppers can see it, and the first one to claim the order will get access to that order. The next one is my orders. So pretty much when you have a current order, all your current orders will be here. So you will be able to see your orders in the list or the time increments that you need to see. So it'll have it from the one that is due the most recently. So say it's 8 o'clock, you have one at 9, you have one at 10. So pretty much we'll put it in the order that you need to complete it in, so you're not late. And the next thing is the schedule. So pretty much what the schedule is, it'll have it up to the following week or the next 6 days. So around there, you can go on schedule. So you're able to choose the time increments that you want to do. On the left, you'll see these 3 dots, and you'll be able to decide your default zones. So you can edit your zones. You can add more if you please, but it'll show you all the zones. And then if you press the eye on the right side, it also shows you what stores are in that zone, which is very helpful. So you know what stores, if I'm in this area, that I can get orders to. So typically what I do is I'll choose stores or a zone that is close to my house, because when I finish doing orders, I want to be able to go home and not be so far while I'm tired, because, I'm working hard all day, and I want to just be able to lay my head and be maybe 10, 15 minutes away from my house. So that is how you do that. If you want to put your schedule on, you'll just press the plus button, and that is how you add time. The next section is your delivery history. So this is where you see your delivery history, how much money you have made, and it will basically separate it into 7-day increments or 6-day increments. So you'll see how much you made for that elapsed amount of time, and you'll see how many orders. Now, if you press into deeper explanation, it will show you the number of the order, the tip total, the total pay, you know, the time that you did it and when it was delivered, and it will actually on the right side show you if it was on time or not. So that's very helpful for some people. And the next section is you'll have your stats. So depending on how you've done, it'll show you your average rating, your on-time rating, your acceptance rate. Your acceptance rate is how many orders you have accepted, and it'll show you the rating for all time, last 14 days, and your last 50 orders. And this is pretty much updated every single day, so you will get a rating that is very up to date. And the last thing is we have our help. So just in case you need support help, you have your open line, your open live chat, which they say is the fastest way to get help. And you have your calls shopper support. So you can call them at their toll-free number. You can also send them emails, and you can also view messages that they send you. And also they have these helpful resources. They have something called the Shopper Hub, and pretty much the Shopper Hub, we're going to go back to it, but pretty much the Shopper Hub is them just giving you a lot of tips, tidbits. If you're a new shopper, you can read some frequently asked questions, some popular topics, retail information, some best practices. So that is always awesome. Now, the last and final thing we have is the referral. And if you want to share Shipt with somebody, you can, you know, refer them with your referral code. And that is pretty much it. The app is very straightforward, easy to use, so you shouldn't have a problem navigating towards it or through it. But if you do have any issues, be sure to go and leave a comment down below. Let me know what your problems are, and I will be glad to help you out with it. So that is how you use the Shipt app. Now let me ask you a question. Are you going to use these tips? Are you going to use the Shipt app? Let me know in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go and hit that like button and go subscribe to my channel, because I'm giving you all the tidbits that you need to be successful. I will see you in my next video. Peace.